Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to install an air filter on your Ford ST. We're going to need a small little ratchet, an 8mm socket, and right here in the engine bay, this is your air box. Alright, let's identify the bolts. We have one right here, another one right here, and then we have one right here, and then one in the back. So let's go ahead and start with the easy one. We're going to remove these. These do come out. Make sure you don't drop them. For this back one, you're going to need an extension, or I used a longer socket, a deep socket. And now we should get the cover off. And just like that, the cover is off. And here is our OEM filter. This usually just pops right off, so just like this. And this is a good time to clean down here if you need to clean. Okay, it's time for us to install it. If you see right here, there's a lip right here, and there's one in the bottom as well. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that when we install this, it's through those lips, just like that. And then we have our clamp, and the clamp is hopefully going to keep everything in there. And I'm kind of pushing it in a little. So when I pushed it in, it sat in there perfectly. So you kind of give it a little push. And we're now going to tighten down the clamp. We're going to tighten down by hand and then give it a little bit of a turn. And I think it's interesting that the air box itself was already cut out to kind of match the opening, because this air filter and everything fits in there perfectly. So now we're going to put our air box back together. It should just slide over nice and easy, and we're going to put our bolts on, and then you will be done. And the job is complete. Thank you for watching. If this helped you out, please press the like button, and also make sure you check out our other videos on the ST. We have a lot of comprehensive videos. We do a lot of fun stuff with the ST. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.